Hello everyone, we have given 12 equal 8, 15 equal 10, 18 equal 12, 21 equal 14, so 3 equal 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So 12 to 8, how can we reach? By subtracting 4 from this. Now, if I'll subtract the successor of 4 from 15, that is 5, so I'll get 10, right? Similarly, 18 minus successor of 5 is 6 is 12. 21 minus successor of 6 is 7. It's 14. So 3 minus successor of 7 is 8. That is negative 5. So what replace the question mark? Negative 5. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell, because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.